Welcome back to Essential Eats. In today's video, we're going to explore the incredible superfood known as black seed. Prepare to dive deep into its nutritional profile and discover why it's considered the ultimate superfood. Black seed, scientifically known as Nigella sativa, has a long history of medicinal and culinary uses. Its rich nutrient content and potential health-boosting properties make it truly remarkable. Black seed is loaded with essential fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-6, which are crucial for heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. These fatty acids can be found in black seed oil, which is a popular way to incorporate black seed into your diet. In addition to its oil, black seeds themselves are a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds that contribute to their superfood status. One of the key benefits of black seeds is their potential immune-boosting properties. Black seeds contain compounds that may support immune function and help the body defend against pathogens. These immune-boosting properties can be attributed to the presence of thymoquinone, a bioactive compound found in black seeds. Black seeds are also known for their potential anti-inflammatory effects. The active compounds in black seeds, such as thymoquinone and thymohydroquinone, have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation in the body. By reducing inflammation, black seeds may contribute to a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Moreover, black seeds may have positive effects on digestive health. They can help soothe digestive discomfort, alleviate symptoms of indigestion, and support healthy digestion due to their fiber content. The fiber in black seeds acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Some studies suggest that black seeds may have a positive impact on blood sugar control. The bioactive components in black seeds, including thymoquinone, have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. This makes black seeds potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Furthermore, black seeds are believed to have antimicrobial properties, which may help fight against certain bacteria and fungi. The antimicrobial effects of black seeds have been demonstrated in studies against various strains of bacteria, including antibiotic-resistant strains like MRSA. These properties make black seeds a promising natural alternative for supporting overall immune health and preventing microbial infections. Additionally, black seeds have been associated with potential benefits for respiratory health. They may help alleviate symptoms of asthma, reduce airway inflammation, and support overall lung function. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of black seeds are thought to contribute to these respiratory benefits. Incorporating black seed into your diet can be as simple as using black seed oil in your cooking or sprinkling whole black seeds over salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Black seed oil has a distinct nutty and slightly bitter flavor, which adds a unique twist to dishes. Whole black seeds can be ground and used as a spice or topping, adding a delightful crunch and flavor to various recipes. It's important to note that while black seeds offer numerous potential health benefits, they should not replace any prescribed medications or treatments. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. So, why not take advantage of the nutritional benefits of black seed and embrace it as the ultimate superfood? Start experimenting with black seed oil and whole black seeds today to unlock their potential health-boosting properties and experience the unique flavors and potential health benefits. Aside from its numerous health benefits, black seed is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can use black seed oil as a salad dressing or drizzle it over roasted vegetables to add a flavorful and nutritious twist. It can also be used as a dip for bread or a marinade for grilled meats. Incorporating whole black seeds into your recipes can add both taste and texture. Sprinkle them on top of homemade bread, stir them into yogurt or oatmeal, or use them as a crunchy topping for salads or smoothie bowls. When purchasing black seed oil or whole black seeds, it's important to choose high-quality, organic options from trusted sources. This ensures that you're getting the best possible nutritional benefits without any unwanted additives or contaminants. To sum it all up, black seed is truly the ultimate superfood, packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and potential health-boosting properties. From supporting immune health to reducing inflammation and aiding digestion, black seed offers a wide range of benefits. Remember to incorporate black seed into your diet in moderation and alongside a balanced and varied eating plan. As with any superfood, it's important to maintain a diverse and well-rounded approach to nutrition. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of black seed, the ultimate superfood. We hope this information inspires you to incorporate this remarkable ingredient into your meals and experience the potential health benefits it has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Essential Eats, for more exciting and informative videos on healthy eating and superfoods. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to share delicious recipes, nutrition tips, and insights into the world of healthy and nourishing foods. Remember, your health is essential, and we're here to help you make every bite count. Until next time, happy and healthy eating!